Ah, just got this John Deere tractor. 2020. It was my grandfather's. I think he bought it back in the 70s. Apparently there's the talk of the town when he got it. Especially compared to all the little Fergies and that everyone had. They all come for a look. It's not in too bad condition. I know it did sit outside for a long time and water got in the motor. I think they got the water out and got it going, and then it sat in a shed for a long time. Probably hasn't done the bore much good, but that's no big problem, I don't think. So you can get the sump off, pull the head off, put new sleeves and pistons in. Side panels. Front, it looks alright. Guards are rusted out though. A bad looking tractor. I did have this on the front of it. It was only just sitting there hanging on one bolt as the other one's broken. Might put a battery in it and see if it'll fire up. Original muffler's not there. I think he said he has got it though, my uncle. Use these guide blocks instead of stabilizers. A few new bits in there, I guess. Tighten her up a bit. According to that, it's got 8,800 hours. Done a little bit of work, I suppose. Got a battery.
No smoke.
Right. I'll give it a square to that. Give it a square to that.
Brilliant.
Right?
Yeah.
It didn't do anything, did it?
There's no smelling smoke.
How do you bleed the pump? Or is there a pump on the lid?
Yeah.
So I got the John Deere in the shed now. Took the old rusty seat off, get a new seat for that. Gonna take the steering wheel off and pull the head off. Shouldn't take too much to pull the head off. Just around the oil, pull the sump off. Let's see what's going on in there. Modified this front weight bracket off for Fergie. Pick up them holes on the front there. Got a tow hitch on it as well. Got the broken bolt out. That bolt was broken off in there. Just welded a bolt, another bolt to it. So let's get this head off. We got the head off. Got a mess in there really. I guess it's never been off either. A bit of a lip on the ball. I just got one piston out there. As soon as I got that one out, the top ring was broken. So it's been like that for a while. The bearings just show a little bit of wear on them. So we'll just keep stripping it down, I guess. Pull the pistons out and then get them sleeves out. They're wet sleeves, they've got O-rings in there.
That's it. It tighter on the thread, didn't it, in the end?
So we've got the liners out. I wanted to get these out just to double check the where the O-rings are. Apparently there's two different models. Some's got the O-rings in the sleeve and some's got the O-ring in the block. You can work it out on the serial number, but I just want to double check before I go ordering any parts. It's pretty gunky down there. That'll clean up. So we've got some parts to order. And quite a bit of cleaning by the looks of it. Get all that cleaned out, get all the head surface of the block cleaned up. A bit of wear in there. Got a few parts to order. New seat, steering wheel, all that sort of stuff. Get some touch-up paint. I'll strip the head down. I've got to get the injectors out. I'll get this head sent off, get the valves checked and the valve guides. So I'll give that a wash. I think nearly all the pistons had the top ring broken on it too. And even the oil rings all pretty gummed up, but that's alright. Some new pistons, it'll be like new. Now when I do put it back together, I've decided to fit this turbo on. I don't think anyone's turboed a 2020 before, but I don't see why it can't be done. So I've got this turbo. It's a GT 2052. It's actually off a or for a JCB, I think, which had a 4-litre Perkins in it. So I mean, this 2020 is a 3.3 litre, so this turbo should be a pretty good match. It's got a wastegate on it, but depends on how much fuel I put into it. It might not even open that wastegate. So got some flanges cut on the water jet cutter at work. I run a T2 type flange on the turbo, but with a round hole. Got some bends here, a few bits and pieces. So when the head's all back on, I'll start fabbing all that up. Turbo's got to be mounted sort of probably in this configuration really. I don't want to go chopping anything on the bonnet here. I mean the outlet, the exhaust runs up here, so I should be able to run the turbo, the dump pipe up there. Try and make it look factory from the outside and keep it all under the hood. Hopefully I can run the oil drain back into the rock cover. There is a oil pressure sensor switch on the other side there. I'll get oil from. Intake will just run up here into there like it did, and then the intake is somewhere around here, so it's just quite a short path there. It should all work fine. So, I'll keep going with it. Thanks for watching.